Bro, I don't know what you're talking about. I got the Glock, the new Glock 69. Bro, that thing shot out a brick. Isn't that strange? Nah, I think it's just malfunction. Now just stand there and let... Oh, did you see that? Oh. Yeah, but I'm gonna stand even for it. No, you're gonna mess up my aim. Stop it. Bro. This thing is so... Ow! Oh, God. Dude, aren't you gonna help me? What happened to me? Ah, I'm on fire! Well, I guess the Glock 69 doesn't work. Yo, it's the Glock 69. The Glock 69. Did you see that? Yo, this is so cool. Hey, let me shoot you. No! It's too powerful. I like this toy.